Good morning and welcome. This is Nolan with Discover NC Homes. Thank you for having us. Today I have a special guest with me, Cameron Smith of C.L. Smith Construction, and we're standing in one of his homes in St. James Plantation. He's one of the premier builders in here, and he's here today to talk about the Energy Star program and green building. Cameron?
Thank you, Nolan, for the opportunity to be a part of this video. I live in Southport, have an office on Highway 211. We've been in this area for nearly 15 years, building homes in the Gulf communities, and focus on Highway 211, Corridor, St. James, Winding River, and very happy to be here today with you to discuss these topics.
Great, we'll get started. Cameron, can you please describe the Energy Star program and the benefits to it?
I sure will. First of all, I have been a part of the Energy Star program for 8 years now, okay. And we've done nearly 100% over the 8 years, I'm very happy to say. The main benefit I find from the Energy Star program is that we have an independent inspector called a HERS rater. Okay. And that's a home energy rating system, independent rater that comes into the house. This is well above and beyond the local code inspections. And what he focuses on are things like the duct work. He'll do what's called a duct blaster test, which basically means he's measuring the leakage of the duct system. Okay. So we're trying to make sure that all of the air, all the cool air in the summer and the hot air in the winter is getting into the house and not being lost in the attic and under the house, which is very important to me. They have a tolerance of 5%. Most of our houses end up coming in with less than a 5% leakage rate. The other thing that they do is called a blower door test. Okay. The blower door test is testing the tightness of the entire envelope. They can actually tell if there's a piece of weather stripping missing. They can tell if there's a void somehow in the wall with insulation. It's a great way to measure the tightness of your house to make sure that you're retaining all of your heating and air conditioning, and it's not being lost to the outside, or you're not getting air infiltration from the outside during the hot or really cold months. Those are the things that I really like. They also take a really good look at insulation. They go way above and beyond the code inspectors on that. Okay. Air sealing is a big part of it. They want to make sure that basically it's a very tight envelope, so that it's to make it much more energy efficient. Over the years, my trades, since we've been doing this for so long, my trades have all learned exactly what to do. What we expect of them from this program. So right now it's a standard that we do, and it's just like clockwork. These guys come in, and the HVAC people know what to do, my framers know what to do, insulators know how to do all the proper air sealing, and it's been part of our program for so long. It's really integrated well into the system. Okay.
Cameron, how does the Energy Star rating system work?
Okay, as you can see on this chart, the standard new home, which is basically a house built to minimum code standards these days, are right at the 100-point system. Existing houses can obviously go way up from there, and this is showing how much energy the house consumes. The Energy Star minimum standard is 85. Okay. So 85 is what you score to make Energy Star. This particular home scored a 41 on this. However, we are getting rescored, and it will drop even lower to more like a 38. There were several things I brought to the attention of the HERS rater that will make that go lower. But what this basically means is Energy Star minimum, the 85 means it's 15% more efficient than a standard house built to code. This particular house is going to end up being about 62% more efficient than a standard code-built home. Most of our houses score in the 60 to 70 range, which let's take a look at this other chart real quick. This is showing the different point systems. This house is a 5-star plus rating, which is really anything from 70 less. Most of our houses that we're doing now score in the sometimes upper 50s and into the lower 70s, but well below Energy Star minimum standards. The majority of our houses are 5-star plus homes. So you can see that by all the testing done, it's proven through the scoring system that Energy Star ends up being anywhere from a 25 to in this case, a 60% energy savings, which of course is a long-term savings. That's the way I really like to look at spending the couple dollars to be an Energy Star. It's a long-term savings. The cost of energy will go up over the years, and building an efficient home is going to make the home more valuable.
Okay.
And I think that's very important. Nolan, with this particular home, we are going through the certification process for several green building programs. We're in the process of getting LEED certification, a program called NC Healthy Built Homes, which I really like, and also an NAHB Green program. So we've done a lot of different things. I've used this as kind of a model home per se to show off a lot of things that people can consider doing in building a home.
Okay.
And I think we'll have another opportunity to discuss all of those ideas.
Oh yeah, definitely. We'll be back next month to discuss more of the green building features in this particular home. And again, Cameron's website's below, so please check out his work. He's built many homes here in St. James, as well as Winding River and the Southport area. Thank you.
Thank you.